how I made over $62,000 in the last 30 days with TikTok affiliate marketing using networks like ClickBank. So I'm going to show exactly step by step in this very short video. So stay until the end. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my TikTok, in the previous 28 days, I had over 1.1 million video views. Okay. So I had 12,000 profile views, 81,000 likes, 4,400 comments, and also you can see over here, right? 1,100 shares. Now, why is this important? In 2025, it's all about content engagement. My strategy is I'm running TikTok ads for the first 7 days. So, for example, I start small, $20, $10 per day, and the next week, I will stop running ads. So, free traffic, organic traffic, and I'm still making sales. Why? Because of the engagement, which is very important, my friend. In 2025, TikTok Shop is really huge. Don't believe me. After watching this video, go and Google it. TikTok Shop is huge, and why does it matter for us promoting affiliate offers? Because of buyer's intent, buyer's behavior. Okay? When you wake up in the morning, you don't go on Facebook to buy something. But on the other hand, if you go and research about TikTok live streamers, TikTok Shop, TikTok affiliates, okay, ClickBank affiliate marketing, you will see people are buying. They're watching for 3-5 hours a day. Some girls, females mostly, videos before and buying it live. So you can see buyer's intent is already there. People are there to buy. This is very important, okay? As you're going to see later. Now, let me show how this works in practice. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, WhatsApp, and email after watching this video. Yes, I'm giving you my personal cell phone number, but only if you're really, really serious. As you can see, I traveled over now 65 countries, staying to some best resorts because of affiliate marketing, okay? So later you can reach out to me. Now let me go straight into it over here. Now, why everyone else is doing it wrong, okay? Why all the gurus on YouTube or ClickBank affiliates are telling you, yes, create landing page on ClickFunnels or Go High Level or WordPress, and then money gonna flow in, which is a big lie. Why? Because the problem with the most funnels is, and it's not your fault. If you have tried before, it's not your fault, okay? They don't create buyer's intent. They only put some weird, ugly images to get immediate, instant attention, like a clickbait, but on the other page, nothing happens, okay? There is no 5 points of pre-selling, which must be there. The structure and positioning must be there in order for conversions and sales to naturally allow them to happen, okay? So if you have 0 sales, it means you only have curiosity clickers, not buyers clicks, but curiosity clicks. People who are only interested to see, okay, what is on the next page? They click and nothing happens. They leave, they don't swipe their credit cards, okay? So what is different, what we are doing differently in 2025 is we start, of course, small. So you don't have to spend a lot of money upfront on the ads if that's what you worry about. No. Why? Because we are running 1 week strategy, like with my coaching clients, with my students. We run 1 week on, 1 week off. Okay, so you're actually saving money. You're running in 30 days. I spent, for example, for $62,000 that I have made, I have spent 15,000 US dollars. Okay, so it's really good profit. I made over $40,000 plus profit with this. Okay, so now what is the important, right? For example, let's say you have 1 million people in the market. Only 1 to 3% are ready to buy right now. The rest, you're leaving money on the table. And again, it's not your fault. Because all you have to do is, you have to have someone who can once for all finally help you, together with you, to set up over the Zoom call, for example, in 7 days or 3 days, affiliate page, and show you exactly how to get people into the problem state and move them into the solution state. Because people will never buy weight loss ClickBank products, I don't know, skincare products, if they are not into the problem state at first. Okay? So everyone else is competing. It's huge competition, which is not bad. But on the other hand, we, super affiliates, we know what we're doing differently now in 2025, which is new opportunity for you. If you want to take care of this trend right now with TikTok, you can replicate it on Google Ads or YouTube Ads as well. But this video is about TikTok affiliate marketing, okay? So basically, this is important. Functional questions. I love quiz funnels, but everyone else is doing it wrong, as I can see. If you bought any courses from other gurus on ClickBank, you know. They will ask, normal, logical questions like, are you male, are you female, how old are you, do you want to lose weight? All these are logical questions without purpose, without vision, without moving them to emotional states. If you have never heard before, and I'm teaching this to my clients, I'm showing them in real life, you have low emotional states and high emotional state audiences. And it's really important how you use the language patterns, your copywriting to get sales. Okay? Most people are doing it wrong. And look, you can earn $200, even $1,000 per sale on ClickBank, right? For example, for dating space, female dating space, this product on ClickBank, you can make $216 per customer. It meaning, if you're spending $30 per day and you get 10 visitors and only one buyer per day, you're making around $300 per day from one customer. From one person who bought entire funnel. They buy upsells and downsells. Okay? That's like going to the cinema. You buy a ticket at first, and some people will also buy cola, Coca-Cola. They're gonna buy Pepsi. They're gonna buy, I don't know, Sprite. They will buy popcorn. Okay? So upsells. Same thing on ClickBank. The only difference is it's on the internet. It's online. Online marketing. Okay? But you have to have someone who can guide you and help you and hand-holding you to get results. Okay? So you can see, you can make $3,000 with only $300 ad spend. Alright? This is very important to scale as well. Because one buyer can give you $300 or more on ClickBank. Alright? So now, the most important thing is this. If you're still watching this video, and if you want to get results, what you can do is connect with me one-on-one. All the links, my WhatsApp number, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and email is in the description below. But only if you once for all in 2025 want to stop procrastinating. Because if you won't do it, say, I will not do it, I don't want to do it. But you can never say, I don't know how to do it, or I can't do it. Because now you know exactly from this video that you can do it. If other people like you can do it, people just like you, everyday people, stay-at-home moms, making thousands of dollars per day and per week, then you can also do it. Because people know that after COVID, e-commerce is growing. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. If you want to spend only 20 to 30 minutes per day doing this. Yes, 20 to 30 minutes per day. If you have that, you can make $300 or $600 per day as a beginner without showing your face. Doesn't matter where you live. Without showing your face. So if you're serious, if you want to have side income or replace what you're currently doing, let me know and let's get something started.